Hello, my dear student. Geometry lecture number 8, chapter number 3, circle. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some more terms related to circle. All these terms are what very important. In last lecture, we have learned about inscribed angle. Now in this lecture, I explain you intercepted arc. Okay. The angle is what always inscribed and arc is what intercepted. Now here I give you 6 figure. Try to understand this figure. Now this is a circle and this is an angle. So vertex of this angle is on the circle and the end points of this arc or this arc are on the circle as well as on the arms of the one circle. Okay, if this is, then this arc AXC is intercepted by this angle. Okay, so arc AXC is intercepted by angle what ABC. Okay, now in this case this is a arm, so this is a what arc, this is a arc, this is a arc inside what circle, so this is the angle. Okay, now this is not angle, so this is the angle and this is the arm, this is the arm, this point, the end points of what arc B and C are what lie on the arms of the circle. So this point is vertex itself and what this is a point C is what on the arm BC. So this is what intercepted arc by this angle ABC. Okay, now here the vertex is what inside the circle. Okay, but the end points of arc and the end points of arc lie on the what arms of the what two arms of the angle, and therefore this arc is intercepted by this angle. Okay, similarly this is the angle, this is what arm, this is arm. In this case the vertex is outside the circle and hence there are what two arcs intercepted by this angle. So this is one arc and this is what second arc. Now in this case also vertex is outside the circle and what this is an arc, this is an arc. The condition is this: the end points of arc should lie on the arms of the what angle. So this is a condition. So the end point of this arc is what AC, lie on the circle, and end point of this arc PC lie on the circle and lie on the what arm also. Similarly in this case this angle, this vertex B is what in the exterior, this is a point A and this is point C, lie on the circle as well as on the what arms of the angle, and therefore this arc and this arc is intercepted by this angle. Okay, so this you try to understand. In above figure, end points of the arc or arcs lie on the both the arms of the angle, and therefore arc, in this case arc AXC is intercepted by angle ABC. Okay, so these points are what very important, intercepted by what angle ABC. Okay, so always remember arcs are what intercepted by angle, and angle is what inscribed in what arc. Okay, so this is the angle, inscribed angle inscribed by what, this arc, which arc, ABC, and arc AXC is what intercepted by this angle. Okay, these terms you remember. Now in case of this figure, so this is a circle, this is the angle, vertex is what, in the exterior of circle. Okay, no problem. But the but the what, end points of arc, now this arc is what, in the angle, end point of this arc is what, this and this point, and these 2 points are what, on the circle but not on the arms. Only what, these 2 points are only what, arc, this arm, this AB, and on the what, arm BC no point is there, and hence this angle is not, this arc is not intercepted by this angle. Okay, this case is important. Now arc is not intercepted as end points of arc, end points of this and this are not lie on both arms of an angle. It is lie on the what, one arm only. So therefore this arc is not intercepted by this angle. Is it clear? Okay. Now then you try to understand the what theorem, which is what, very important. Inscribed angle theorem. The measure of an inscribed angle is half of the measure of the arc intercepted by it. Okay. Now the measure of an inscribed angle, so this is a, say, angle inscribed in which arc? Inscribed in arc BAC, and this arc intercepted this arc. This angle intercepted this arc. Okay, so the relation between this angle and this arc is this. So the measure of this angle is equal to half of this measure of this arc. Okay, now try to understand this theorem. This theorem is what, very important. Given in circle with center O, angle BAC is inscribed in arc BAC, and RBEC is intercepted by angle BAC. To prove angle BAC is equal to 1 upon 2 measure arc BEC, half of what, this arc. Okay, now construction. Draw seg OA, then what, OB and OC. That means simply you join what, all radius. Okay, then try to understand proof. Now first I explain you. Now in this triangle, means in triangle AOB, this side and this side is equal, radii of what, same circle, and therefore this angle and this angle is equal, say x. So this angle is x, this angle is x. Okay. Similarly in this triangle, this side and this side is equal, and therefore this angle and this angle is equal, say y. So this is angle y, this is angle y, and therefore your angle BAC is equal to x plus y. Okay, clear? Then now you want a relation between this arc and this angle. So this arc is what, related to this central angle. So find the value of this central angle. Now in this triangle, this is the exterior angle. Which one? BOE is exterior angle, and therefore this angle is what? Sum of what? Remote interior angle. And this is x, and therefore this angle is equal to 2x. And similarly this plus this is equal to this angle, exterior angle. So this is 2y, and together angle BOC is equal to 2x plus 2y. Okay, that means 2 into bracket x plus y, and that means what? It is double. So this angle is double of this, and this angle and this is a central angle. So measure of this arc and measure of this angle is same, and hence this angle is half of this arc, or this arc is double of this angle. Okay, now then you try to understand proof. In triangle AOB, side OA congruent or equal side OB, radii of same circle, and therefore angle BAO congruent equal to angle ABO is equal to, say, x. Reason isosceles triangle theorem, equation number 1. Similarly, in triangle AOC, side AOA is equal to side OC, radii of same circle, and therefore angle ACO is equal to angle CAO is equal to, say, y. Reason isosceles triangle theorem, equation number 2. But angle BOE, means this angle BOE is equal to 2x, and angle COE is equal to 2y. Reason exterior angles of triangle AOB and triangle AOC. So suppose this is equation number 3, and therefore angle BOC is equal to 2x plus 2y. To take common, 2 into bracket x plus y, and angle BAC is equal to xy, and therefore angle BAC is equal to 1 upon 2 angle BOC. Measure angle BOC, but measure angle BOC is equal to measure arc BEC. Okay, central angle corresponding arc, and therefore measure angle BAC is equal to 1 upon 2 measure arc BEC. Okay, so this is what very important theorem. Now you have to what? Remember all these points, because you have to use this theorem to solve some examples. Okay, then one term you try to understand: corollaries of inscribed angle theorem. These are what? Properties. So this you remember. Property number 1: angle inscribed in a same arc are congruent. Okay, so angles what? Inscribed in the same arc. So this is the what? Angle inscribed in the what? This arc. Suppose if you take, so this is the angle inscribed in this arm, this in this what? Arc. And suppose if you take any point what on the what? This arc, then that angle is equal to this angle. You can take what? Many points, and okay, so all that angles are equal to this angle. And the next is this: angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. And suppose this angle is what? Inscribed in this way. Try to understand. I explain you here. Suppose this is a circle, and say this is the center of circle, then this is our suppose diameter, then this arc, this is the arc, this is the arc, this arc is called what? Semicircle. This is also semicircle. If you take any point over here and if you join this, then this angle is 90. Okay, because what this is what 180, so then therefore this is what 180 degree, and this angle is half of what 180 degree, and that is 90. So this is what angle inscribed in semicircle is what 90 degree. So angle inscribed in semicircle is right angle, that means 90 degree. Okay, is it clear? Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any questions regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.